I needed a hose that wasn't a flexi hose for a pressure washer, because if you hook up one of these flexi hoses to a pressure washer, the hose could explode and you'll have water everywhere in a big mess. So I got this one. It's 5/8, and here's the part that goes into the house, and here's the nozzle where the water comes out. Let's go hook it up. I wanted to show that it's made of thick rubber material, and it has this on the end to help it not kink. I'm just gonna screw it in, and then I'll show you how well it works. My house is old, so sometimes the hose bibs leak a little bit, but it looks like this connector is really strong, so I think it'll be fine. And I wanted to show you this. It says 5/8 ID 16 millimeter rubber garden hose, and then it has a model number. Let's go put a sprayer on and see how it works. All right, I'm gonna put the nozzle on and then we'll give it a try. Oh, it also came with an extra washer. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, that's probably one of the best hoses I've ever had. Look how even that water is. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see how well that sprays. Look at that. That's probably the most even water pressure I've ever had. And I've been using that flexi hose, and I feel like this is so much better and faster. I got the one that's 100 feet because we're going to be pressure washing the house, and I wanted it to go from either side to the other. And this is how long it is. It's so long, I think it's going to be fine for pressure washing the house. Our house is pretty big, but this will do.